Well, here at Willie B's apiary, we got storms moving in, black clouds over that way, black clouds back that way, so I'm finishing up and thought I better do a video. Here at Willie B's, we are beekeepers on the cheap. This is an old mailer that my wife received something from her sister, and I'm just going to cut it up. Same thing as Reflectix, because I use Reflectix as inner covers. This hive needed one, so I thought, well, I'll just go get that bubble wrap and mailer, and we will just go ahead and make a video. Ah, ladies. All right, so we go to about right there. I got scissors around here somewhere, I thought. There they are. Just cut it to length. How many of you guys can do this with a storm approaching? I'll flip the camera around and show you once I'm done. I'm going to put the address side down because it seems to be a little thicker of plastic. Put the lid back on her. And ta-da, we're done. The leftover just might, flip the camera, we will see, be big enough to make one of these. Nope, not gonna make it. That's it, beekeeping on the cheap. Oh, by the way, there's the storm clouds. Heard a couple of rumbles of thunder. Thanks for watching Willie Bees. Like, share, and subscribe.